Pasta and meatballs. Pasta and spaghetti done there. Onion, tomato, meatballs, garlic, bit of chilli, a little bit of parsley. Now pepper, salt, and a bit of Worcestershire sauce. So I'll pop the pasta into there in a moment, combined it. Quite steamy, bubbling away. So pasta there, meatballs and spaghetti. Just letting the sauce thicken. Got the onion, meatballs, plum tomatoes, salt, pepper, Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of parsley and a bit of garlic. They're just making the tomato sauce. Cheap meal. Let's give this a stir. I'll add the pasta in a moment. Now it's thickened up. I'd say it cost me about a couple £2 to make. You can see the meatballs in there. I'm stirring it in. Just add a bit of pepper. I'll just leave that for a couple of minutes. Okay, so I'm just going to plate up now. See, the sauce is thickened up. Meatballs, pasta, spaghetti, plum tomatoes, beef stock, pepper and salt, and a bit of Worcestershire sauce. The sauce is thickened up. Very cheap meal, only cost me a couple £2 to make. Packet meatballs from the shop, corner shop. And just stir this up. Quite a satisfying meal. And I think should make lunch as well. There we go, so pasta and meatballs, spaghetti pasta and meatballs. Did use a little cornflower to thicken up the sauce.